Welcome to the new user login experience for Springfield Local Schools. We've brought this experience to you so that you can use your Google login in place of having to remember another password. You should see this other user and sign in with your work account screen on your desktop. If you don't see this screen, go ahead and contact IT and say that the Google login has not been installed on your machine. Go ahead and click on the little arrow next to sign in with your work account, and you will see a very familiar looking login prompt that looks a lot like you're signing into a Chromebook. Go ahead and sign in using the same password and username that you would to sign in to Gmail. Go ahead and click through the prompts, and you may then see this box pop up that says your work account password has changed. Enter your Windows password to sync your Windows account with your work account. If you see that box, go ahead and put in the default password that we told you about, which I can't say publicly in a YouTube video. If you don't know that password, ask your supervisor or a coworker. Once you've logged in successfully, you should see these screens that say something like, "Hi, we're getting everything ready for you." This is the normal Windows 10 new user login experience. It should only take about a minute for it to go through this screen. Now that you've successfully signed in once, you shouldn't see that your work password has changed box pop up again unless there's a problem. At this point, you should be all signed in, and this is a brand new account, so it doesn't have anything, but all your documents should show up. If you do not see all of your documents, please contact support@springfield-schools.org with a message stating that your data was not migrated to the new domain. We'll know exactly what that means, and we should be able to fix you very quickly. We only expect to see this issue if your last name has changed since your employment started with Springfield Local Schools. Once you've logged in successfully, it's very important to make sure that you're signed into Google Chrome correctly. If you give it a second after opening, it will automatically start signing you in. It is very important to hit Link Data on this pop-up, followed by Yes, I'm in. Failure to do so will prevent you from having your bookmarks synchronized correctly and will also prevent all of our managed add-ons from installing. This includes things like Aristotle Insight, which you use to monitor Chromebooks, but may also impact things such as your ability to print documents. If you want to be sure you did it right, go ahead and click the little icon in the top right corner and make sure it says Sync is on. If it says that Sync is off, you can just click a little button right about here that would say Turn on Sync, when you can then hit the Link Data and Yes, I'm in prompts. Now that you're successfully logged in, I would love to point out this new application we've deployed called Software Center. Software Center is basically the App Store for Springfield Local Schools. If you're missing any software on your computer, pretty much everything that we offer can be found in the Software Center and installed by you. So if, for example, I was missing IP-Evo Visualizer, which is a document camera software, I can just click on it, and I could choose Install. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, if you have any questions, please reach out by entering a support ticket by emailing support@springfield-schools.org or put in a ticket through the Computer Support Ticketing System website.